Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let us solve question number 4 from exercise 3.2 of NCERT textbook. Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. So here we have to find whether the given equation is consistent or inconsistent. So how we are going to identify whether the given equations are consistent? If a given pair of linear equation has got solution, then we say that equations are consistent. If it has got no solution, then it is inconsistent. Okay, so first, x plus y equals to 5, 2x plus 2y equals to 10. Let me write it in standard form, which is x plus y minus 5 equals to 0. I have brought 5 to LHS, and 2x plus 2y minus 10 equals to 0. Now how to identify whether it is a consistent or inconsistent? For that I have to find out the ratios of a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 and compare whether these ratios are equal or not equal. So I will find a1, which is 1, b1 again it is 1, c1 it is minus 5, a2 it is 2, b2 it is 2, c2 it is minus 10. So ratios a1 by a2 is equals to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 that is equals to 1 by 2, c1 by c2 it is minus 5 by minus 10, which is nothing but again 1 by 2. So clearly we can observe that a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2, which implies that we will get coincident lines and we'll have infinite solution, and the type of equation is consistent. Okay, so it is consistent. If it is consistent, if the equations are consistent, then obtain the solution graphically. We need to obtain the solution graphically. Now to get solution graphically, let me plot these two equations on the graph. So let me take equation 1, x plus y equals to 5, or y equals to 5 minus x. Let me draw a table which contains x, y and x comma y. I can put randomly any value of x and corresponding value of y I will try to get. So I will try to put the value of x as 0. I will get value of y as 5. So it is 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5. Now when I put the value of y as 0, I will get the value of x as 5. The value of x as 5. Okay. Now let me take equation 2, that is 2x plus 2y equals to 10. Let me take 2 common. Okay, let it be. So yes, let me take 2 common. It is x plus y equals to 10, or 2 ones are 2 5s. It is x plus y equals to 5. X plus y equals to 5. Okay, so it is the same equation as equation number 1. As equation number 1, again we can get the same points. So let us try to plot it. When x is 0, y is 5, one point is 0 comma 5, and when x is 5, y is 0. So here this is 5 comma 0. Let us join these two lines with these 2 points with a straight line. This line represents the equation x plus y equals to 5, and also the same 2x plus 2y equals to 10. 2x plus 2y equals to 10. So here we get infinite solution as the lines are coinciding. We get infinite solutions. Second bit, x minus y equals to 8 and 3x minus 3y equals to 16. Let me write in standard form. X minus y, bring 8 to LHS, it will be minus 8 equals to 0, call this as equation 1. And this is 3x minus 3y, bring 16 to LHS, it will be minus 16 equals to 0, call this as equation 2. So we need to find a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. a1 is 1, b1 is minus 1, c1 is minus 8, a2 is 3, b2 is minus 3, c2 is minus 16. Now compare the ratios. a1 by a2 is 1 by 3, b1 by b2 it is minus 1 divided by minus 3, so again it is 1 by 3, and c1 by c2 it is minus 8 by minus 16, which is 1 by 2. So we can observe that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equals to c1 by c2. So with these ratios we'll come to know that the lines are parallel. When lines are parallel, there is no solution for the given pair of linear equation. So the type of given equations is inconsistent. It is inconsistent. Third one, 2x plus 6y minus 6 equals to 0. 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. So a1 will be coefficient of x is 2, b1 is 6, c1 is minus 6, a2 it is plus 4, b2 it is minus 2, and c2 it is minus 4. Now compare the ratios. a1 by a2 is equals to 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equals to 6 by minus 2. This is minus 3. c1 by c2 is equals to minus 6 by minus 4, which is 2 3 are 2 2, which is 3 by 2. So here a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. When a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, we get intersecting line and we get exactly one solution, that is unique solution, and it is a consistent. It is consistent. So it is consistent. It is consistent. So now we need to plot these two equations graphically. We need to represent it graphically. Let us represent these two equations graphically. So first equation, I will take 2x plus 6y minus 6 equals to 0, or let me send all on RHS. 6y equals to minus 2x plus 6, or y equals to minus 2x plus 6 divided by 6. If I take 2 common, it will be minus 6, means 3 minus x upon 3. 3 minus 6 upon 3. Okay, 3 minus 6 upon 3. Right. So let me draw a table containing x, y and xy. Randomly I will take any value of x. Let me start with the 0. When I take x as 0, I will get the value of y as, it is 3 by 3 equals to 1. So this is 1. I get 0 comma 1. When y is 0, when y is 0, so I get, when y is 0, so y equals to 3 minus x by 3. When y is 0, I get the value of x as 3. This, it will go on LHS, which is 0, so x is 3. Okay, now let me take one more equation, which is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. So in terms of y, it will be, so sending all other things to RHS, I will be getting 4x equals to 2y plus 4, or x equals to 2y plus 4 divided by 4. Let me take 2 common, so it is y plus 2 divided by 2. X is y plus 2 divided by 2. Okay, so let me draw a table containing x, y and xy. So let me put the value of x as, say, if I put the value of x as, say, 1, if I put the value of x as 1, so I get the value of y as 0, so let me put the value of x as 1, or if you put y value as 0, it will be x equals to 2 by 2, which is 1. So I get point 1 comma 0. Now one more point, let me put the value of x as, say, 0. So when I put x as 0, I will get the value of y as minus 2. Let me represent these points on the graph. So for equation 1, I have got points 0 comma 1 and 3 comma 0. So when x is 0, y is 1. X is 0, y is 1. I got one point, which is 0 comma 1. And when x is 3, y is 0. This is second point, which is 3 comma 0. Okay, so this is joining these two points. I will be getting a straight line. This line represents the equation 2x plus 6y minus 6 equals to 0. Now representing the second equation, so we have 1 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 2. 1, when x is 1, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 0. So this is 1 comma 0. And when x is 0, y is minus 2. So this is 0 comma minus 2. Let me join these 2 points. Joining these 2 points, it will intersect at a point. At this point it will intersect. This line represents the equation 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, well, the intersection is somewhere in between 0 and 1 on y-axis. It is going above 0.5, and along this side it is going above 1. So in the NCERT textbook, the equation is given 2x plus y. I have taken 6y. Let it be. So this is a procedure how we are going to find it. Okay, let me try to get the solution algebraically. So 2x plus 6y minus 6 equals to 0, and 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. Let me use elimination method. I will be multiplying this equation with 2 and this with 1. So 4x plus 6y, I mean this is 12y minus 12 equals to 0, and this is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0 as it is. This will be minus, this is plus, and this is plus, so it will get cancelled. 12y plus 2y, it is 14y, and minus 12 plus 4, it will be minus 8. So y is equals to 14 by 8. 14 by 8. So 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. So 7 divided by 4, it will come as, okay, this is y equals to 8 by 14 we will get. So this will be 8 by 14, we get approximately the value as 0.57. This is 0.57, which is somewhat here 0. You draw this exactly on graph and you will find this corresponding y value with respect to x, so in the textbook this is 2x plus y. I have taken 6y. Let it be. You should know the procedure how to get the solution, okay. Fourth one. So we have equation 2x minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0, 4x minus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. So a1 is 2, b1 is minus 2, c1 is minus 2, a2 is 4, b2 is minus 4, c2 is minus 5. Comparing the ratio, a1 by a2 is 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is minus 2 by minus 4, which is 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 is minus 2 by minus 5, so this is 2 by 5. Clearly a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 and not equals to c1 by c2, which implies that we get parallel lines. A parallel lines, it has got no solution. So when a pair of linear equation has no solution, then it is inconsistent. it is inconsistent